Welcome to Salesforce Developers World. In today's session, we'll be discussing about platform events. You all know about two systems can be connected directly through point-to-point integration. But the disadvantage of a point-to-point integration is it will slow down business, and as and more systems are integrated, it will increase the cost and complexity. In that case, we move from a point-to-point to a robust and decoupled model. And platform event helps us in connecting multiple systems together. Platform events are based on event-driven architecture. You can connect business process in Salesforce and external apps through the exchange of real-time event data. It is more secure and reliable. Platform event simplifies the process of communicating changes and responding to events. They communicate through events. Publisher will publish the events and subscriber will subscribe to it and access those events. One or more subscribers can listen to the same events and carry out actions. In that case, there will be a data consistency across multiple services. All the subscriber will subscribe to the event bus. Salesforce will publish those events to the event bus as a publisher, and all the subscriber will subscribe to it and access the events from the event bus. And in the event bus, it will be retained for 72 hours max. So platform events, how do you create platform events? Same, it's similar to a custom object, but it is a special kind of entity. It ends with __e. Where you can create fields for platform events. You can publish and consume platform events by using Apex or REST API or SOAP API. Platform events integrate with the Salesforce platform through Apex triggers. Triggers are the event consumers on the Salesforce platforms that listen to event message. You can subscribe to the platform events that you have published through a trigger on the platform event that will listen to this event message. Unlike custom objects, you can't update or delete an event record. You can't view event record in the Salesforce user interface. As a normal custom object, you can't query it. They can't use SQL queries on this. When you delete a platform event definition, it is permanently deleted. Platform event may be published using declarative tools. You can also do it through process builders and flows. Platform events can also be subscribed by using Apex or declarative process builders and flows. But in today's session, we'll be seeing how to publish and subscribe a platform event using Apex. So, what are the considerations that we have to keep in mind when we are publishing and subscribing to a platform event? Platform event supports only after insert triggers, because when you are subscribing or you are sending an event notification, you can only insert those platform events but not update it. So it's only after insert trigger, not update. Infinite trigger loop events. When you trigger a platform event, if those platform event is in turn making changes to a same custom object that triggered the event, it can result in an infinite trigger loop. Publishing events in Apex with text field set to empty string. When you publish an event, if it is set as empty string, it will take it as a null value. So platform event triggers owner ID fields of new records. So owner ID will be an automated process. So you can explicitly set the user ID when you're creating the records. So no email support from a platform event trigger. You can't use the messaging send email message class. So there is no email support. Replaying past events. Replaying past events. You can replay past events. So filtered subscription. Replaying past events can be done through API but not through Apex. And filtered subscription, like streaming API, it's not supported in platform events. And there is a millisecond time precision in datetime fields. You have to keep in mind that there is a milliseconds in datetime fields. Apex triggers subscription disabled in inactive Salesforce orgs. Whenever the Salesforce org is inactive, automatically the Apex triggers will be disabled. And one of the important things that I think is it is more real-time data. It's a real-time data thing that happens, and it'll help to keep consistency, and it's reliable and it's scalable. That is one of the most important features of it. Platform events. So in today's session we are doing it with through Apex. In this example we'll create a platform event. I'll show you how to go to platform event and how to create those platform events. We'll create two fields, name and a status field. We'll create a platform event or trigger on account object which will publish a platform event on particular condition like when status is admitted. One thing that I have to mention here, so in data, change data capture can also do the same thing, that it can any change in the data. If you any change in account object, you can change those, send those notifications. But here you can control it only if the status is admitted. You can send a notification. So that is one of the major difference between platform events and change data capture. So here in this example, we'll be sending this whenever the status is admitted. To subscribe to a platform event, we'll create a trigger on platform event to create a student's record with name and status field. So let's get started.
Yeah, to create the platform event, you have to click on the setup, and in the quick find, you have to search for platform event. Click on the platform event, then new platform event. For today, the label we are taking for today's demo, let's keep the label name as student events, and the event type is high volume, and the publish behavior is publish after commit. That is what we are choosing right now. You can choose publish immediately, irrespective whether the transaction succeeds or not. You can publish it immediately. Okay, just like how you create a custom object, that's how you create it. And the difference is here you have underscore he. See, that's the difference in the API name. And you can also create fields, custom fields. In the custom fields, only these many data types that can be created. So today we'll create a text field. Let's give the name as name, field label as name, 30, save. Okay, and let's create one more for our example. And the field label is status, length is 30. Okay, now we have created a platform event called student event, and it has two custom fields, name and status. So I have made the code ready to what I want to implement. I'll show you. As per this one, you can publish a platform event through trigger, flows, or process builder. In today's example, we are publishing it using trigger. I have created a trigger on account object, and if the status is admitted, it will publish a platform event. First, it will create a platform event with the name and status values, and then it will add it to the list. And then when this is the code that is used, event bus.publish publish events will publish the platform event, and database.saved will save the success or if there is any error. Let's go ahead and create the trigger on account object. created a platform event trigger on the account object to publish the platform event. Now we can subscribe to a platform event on the platform event trigger. If you create a trigger, it can subscribe it to the platform event. There are other ways. MuleSoft can subscribe, or other applications can also subscribe to the platform event. For today's demo, we are just using the trigger on the platform event to subscribe to it. Let's give the name. So here is the code that I've created. This will create a records in a new custom object. I've created a student custom object with the same fields name and status. I believe everyone knows how to create a custom object. So the same way I've created a student custom object where I'll be creating records. This is a subscriber to the platform event. So whenever this publishes, so this, when after insert, this will get created once it successfully publishes. Okay, now let's see how it works. Let's create a new account. So I created account with test7, and as per the trigger condition, that status should be admitted. So I'll create admitted status, click save. Now let's check the student whether the platform event was successfully published and it was able to subscribe to it, and was able to get the record. Yes, we were able to get the test7 status admitted. So hopefully this helps you understand how platform events work and how you can subscribe and publish and subscribe using Apex class.